This is Bhavana studying 10th grade in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today I am going to explain a topic on working of institutions in India. There are three types: legislature, executive and judiciary. First we will discuss about legislature. The head of the legislature is Parliament. It consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Office of President. Lok Sabha are also called Lower House or House of Commons. It consists of 530 members from various states of India and 20 members from union territories and 2 are represented by the President. Total 552 people. Time period of Lok Sabha are 5 years. Rajya Sabha, also called Upper House. There are 238 members from various states and 12 are represented by the President. Total 250 members. Time period of Rajya Sabha are 6 years. Vice President is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Our current Vice President is Venkaiah Naidu. Indirectly elected by the people. In Lok Sabha, directly elected by the people. So, members of Lok Sabha has more power than the members of Rajya Sabha. Office of President. Our current office President is Ramnath Kovind. President has the power to make a bill into law. It has the power to represent minimum members in 2 houses. The main function of legislature is law making and passing of budget, development plans, etc. are the powers of Parliament that holds the nation. Then the functions are examining the government, formation of government, can check the arbitrary powers of the organs like executive and judiciary and the role of opposition, etc. These are the composition of legislature. Next one is executive. There are 2 subdivisions in executive. They are political executive and permanent executive. In political executive, they are elected by the people. Permanent executive, they are appointed by the government. Political executive, there are political leaders like Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Chief Minister of State, etc. In permanent executive, there are civil servants like IPS, IAS and IFS. In political executive, there are more power and take all decisions. They lose power in time of elections. Permanent executive, they have less power but they get more power during elections because political executive, the leaders are elected as the representatives in elections. The tenure of the leaders are 5 years. In permanent executive, the tenure of these officers are fixed until they retire. In political executive, they should be answered to people because they are elected by the people. Permanent executive, they should be answered to the government because they are appointed by the government. The main function of the executive is to enforce law and to maintain law in order of the state. Whenever a breach of law takes place, it is the responsibility of the executive to plug the breach and bring the offender to book. So these are the composition of executive. Final one is judiciary. The head of the judiciary is Supreme Court. Here in judiciary the power is shared in vertical form. It is the system of courts that interpret and apply the law. The duty is to provide justice to victims and punish offenders. To provide justice, there are levels of court in India. There are local court, district court, high court and Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the highest court to appeal. If we have to appeal the Supreme Court, we have to cross all these courts in case of civil and criminal cases. It deals with the civil and criminal cases and it is a subordinate system. Supreme Court has a position on constitution amendments. Laid out in its judgment is that Parliament can amend the constitution but cannot destroy its basic structure. Judicial review is the main part of judiciary. It is a power of Supreme Court to examine the actions of legislature, executive and administrative arms of the government to determine whether such actions are consistent with the constitution. The laws made by the legislature and implemented by the executive have the power to check the Supreme Court. It can determine the validity of the acts of the two departments. So, judiciary is the main to check the amendments or the laws of executive and judiciary. These are the composition of judiciary. Thank you.